Bengal Airlift Limited. The founding company, what many long-time insiders fondly term as the Bengal Airlift Group, was established in 1982 with the objectives to build the company into a one-stop travel, logistics, and transportation center for the evolving aviation, tourism, travel, air freight, and manufacturing industries. Its today may as well be called a true success story in terms of reputation, innovation, digitalization, entrepreneurship, and prosperity.
My name is Arif Rahman. I am the Managing Director of the Bengal Airlift Group. First of all, thank you very much to hear me out on this video. It would have been definitely better if we could have spoken face to face. And it's really a pleasure and a privilege to be able to, participate in the RFP for both passenger and cargo. So I'll just briefly tell you about us. The Bengal Airlift Group, it's a very family-oriented group since 1982. In fact, next year it will be our 40th year of celebrations of the entire group. This all started with 3 colleagues and 3 friends together who worked for Biman Bangladesh in late 70s. So they got together and they started this company to take the opportunity of a young country at that time in the aviation, travel, as well as the cargo industry. So cargo, in fact, has been our flagship carrier and flagship business for several years. We started with a leading carrier at that time in the Middle East called Gulf Air, which we are proud to be a part of, in fact, today as a GSA of cargo. And with years going on, we have been associated with all leading online and offline carriers. Management and operations of each of these carriers are handled by an entire independently run team. So as of today, we do proudly represent online carriers and leading carriers of the world like Singapore Airlines and Thai Airlines, Gulf Air and Etihad, Air India, which has been recently taken over by Vistara in the cargo side, along with United Airlines Cargo as a group. And in the passenger side, over the years we have worked with many, but at this point we are primarily working with Air France and KLM. As a group in Bangladesh, we are one of the leading freight forwarder, logistic and aviation company. As of 2020-21, we normally or usually handle about 1,500 tons a month into various destinations. Well, that includes both our freight forwarding and aviation sector. It's again a privilege, to be talking to you all. I think, and I hope to see you in the video and then in person sometime. Because I love to show you our facilities, what we have. We have our head office in Gulshan, is the primary area. We have our office in Chittagong, which is the port city, and around 30% of the shippers of the country are from that region. We have our own airport facility, and I think we have the strongest team of experienced guys who can handle both freighters as well as scheduled line flights. Proudly, again, I can tell you that we can be one of the most trusted and reliable partners if we are to be chosen, and we'll be very privileged to work with you, with a carrier like KE who fly all around the world, and a country who has been close to Bangladesh since its independence. In fact, a lot of people now prefer Korean food over the Chinese and the Thai food. So we can really understand how popular are Korean people and how close are the Korean people to us. Thank you very much and hope to see you soon.
Our vision is to sustain market leadership and set a benchmark in the travel, passenger GSA, and international freight forwarding industry. We are committed to provide the finest services to customer and stakeholders' satisfaction through the use of profound, sophisticated technology and continuous improvement. The yearly revenue of Bengal Airlift Group is 15.3 billion, registered capital 100 million, and paid-up capital 9.55 million. We dynamically represent the largest number of GSA in Bangladesh, providing with a wide range of GSA services for passengers and cargoes. Under GSA Cargo and Passenger, we have Air France and KLM, Air India, Gulf Air, Thai Airways, Singapore Airlines, Royal Jordan, Etihad Airlines, and Rail Europe. Bengal represent Allport Cargo Services Limited, Speedmark Transportation Limited, ASPT, Jazz Forwarding and Bengal Airlift Freight in the freight forwarding segment. The company also proudly represents the world's largest courier company, UPS, as ASC in Bangladesh market. Along with the management expertise, upright people, modern technologies, and infallibility of the commitments made Bengal Airlift the most reliable passenger and integrated logistic entity in Bangladesh. We are honorably upstanding the ground of competition with our diverse qualities and facilities. Bengal Airlift Limited, excellence in logistics and travel solution.